Hi, my lovely friends. Today I'm going to share an easy little clay art tutorial you can do at home using air dry clay. It's such a simple and relaxing project, perfect for you when you want to slow down and create something cute. Alright, let's start by rolling out the clay gently. Just enough to make it smooth but not too thin. Here I have two shapes, a fox and a whale, and I'm using this little sketch as my template to cut the clay. Now I'm placing my fox drawing on the top and cutting around it. This is for you, my dear friend. Creativity flows through you with ease and joy. Believe me, it's so satisfying. Each little curve feels so calming. The whale will come later, but for now I'm focusing on this cute fox shape. Take your time. Art doesn't need to be rushed. I love combining drawing and clay work. It feels like my art comes to life in a new form. Alright, my friends, now that the clay is dry, I'm using a fine pen to gently sketch the fox details. The eye, the nose, the ears, and the fluffy tail. Don't worry if the lines aren't perfect. They will guide the painting later. Each line adds personality, and that's what makes handmade art so special. Let's bring our little fox to life with some colors. I'm using orange acrylic paint for the main body, adding a soft white for the chest and the tail, and a touch of pink for the cheeks later. It feels so good. As the brush moves, it's like the fox starting smiling back at me. I love doing art and creating little things. It reminds me that joy can come from the simplest things. I create at my own pace, and every step is beautiful. This is a part where patience becomes part of art. Sometimes I like to imagine my creation resting, like they're dreaming before waking up to color. Good things take time. Your patience nourishes your creativity. Once the paint is dry, I'm using a black pen. You probably can use ink pen or any fine liner to outline the shape and add tiny details. a few whiskers, a little smile, and the soft lines around the tail. And suddenly, the fox feels alive. This part is always my favorite. It's where personality shines through, and every little line feels like love. Okay, my friends, so our little fox is ready. When everything is dry, I'm going to apply a layer of varnish to protect the paint and give it a soft shine. It's better to wait 24 hours even if you feel the paint is dry. I really enjoyed making this little fox. I hope you did that too. Thank you so much for creating with me. Take a deep breath, smile, and remember, your creativity is your light.